In this video we will see how to create a signature into your Microsoft Outlook account. Whenever I create a new email message, that setting will be available and I will get the signature here. So, let's move further. This is interface of Outlook. You have to go to this file option. Then click on options. Since we want a signature in this emails, we'll select the option as mail in this place. You see I have the option as create and modify a signature for messages. So I will just click on this signature button. Here now if I click on this signature button, so what I can do is I can create a new signature. Click on new button. I name this official signature, hit OK. I'll paste my text in panel. Do the formatting like adding some bold, italic and underlining the text. And even you can change the color of particular text that you selected. You can even type the link. If the link is right, they automatically convert into the hyperlink. Exactly the same way we import the image, just click the button left side of the browser. Panel open, select your image and at the end, import. Hit OK. After this click on new mail. Now this is what we worked for. Hit the signature. Select the signature as option. Here you can edit an email account. Select email. There is more than one mail you can access, but this time I opened only one. This signature only use with this particular email. When I create a new message and replies and forwards, this signature will be at my email's text area automatically. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.